How to get rid of frequently visited sites on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Safari application on your phone. Safari is the default web browser on iPhones, developed by Apple. It allows users to browse the internet, view websites, and manage browsing data. Once you're here, scroll down to the end and tap on Edit. You can now customize the start page from here. Scroll down to the Show in Suggestions section and turn off the Frequently Visited feature. You can also customize other features like Favorites, Privacy Report, Reading List, iCloud tabs, background image, and more. Following these steps, you can easily get rid of frequently visited sites on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.